I picked up this typewriter for cheap at Goodwill. The reason I got it was because on the back of it, it has this 9-pin connector which goes with this box, which will convert this into a serial RS, will convert this into a parallel or serial printer so that you can hook it up to a computer. The problem is that it doesn't power up at all when I plug it in, and I cannot figure out how to open it up. I got that off. Underneath, it had 4 screws which simply hold the plastic to the metal frame, and there were 4 feet there, which is the same thing. They just had little tiny screws that held the feet to the frame, didn't even touch the plastic. Around it, I can actually pry it apart a little bit, but something seems to be holding the 2 halves of the plastic together right in the corners, and there is no way to reach it and access it. And if it does separate around the edges, and I can actually kind of fit the screwdriver all the way around, or a little piece of plastic, but it doesn't come apart. And I can't find a service manual for it. It's from 1984. The thing cost $600 new, so I can't imagine it was a disposable item. There should be a way to take it apart and service it, but I cannot figure it out, and until I figure it out, I can't fix it.